lots of ducks. They make a big mess every day. Water gets messy every day. We got some eggs over there. One egg right there. And egg over there. There's our pheasant enclosure. They fly quite well, so they need a net above. We've got red, golden, and lady Amherst pheasants. You can tell the boys have the color. They're only about 6, 7 months old. Maybe even less. Maybe they're only like 5 months old. They don't get their full color until about 2 years old. The male's also a little bit larger. Pheasants are very closely related to peacocks, which you got right here. Got Opal and Sprout. Check out, this is one of Opal's feathers here. We've got some of our guinea fowl right here. We'll be doing a renovation on this side, like we did on this side with the posts. Really looks a lot cleaner. Gonna do upgraded little shelter. These guinea fowl, probably on Thursday. Hopefully I'll have some more time. Then he get moved where the other guinea fowl are. I'll show you that. We got 3 different colors, a white. The traditional color is the darker color. And then there's like a mix, kind of grayish color. See, I believe Sprout is a boy, Opal's a girl. Also got one chicken in here, was born a lot later than all the other chickens. Once it gets a little bit bigger, we'll be moving it. Over here, got the other birds. We got the moo cow. There's diarrhea. Got our geese, our turkeys, chickens. We got some of the guinea fowl over here. Let's see, the emus, 6 emus. We got all this area to explore. Our bees over here. We burn that pile over there. Lots of birds. Look, there's the guinea fowl. Guinea fowl right there. So this is Charlie. Charlie always comes to run after me and try to scratch me. We got some guinea fowl in here. He just charged at me again. We got turkeys. There's Charlie. We've got our geese in here. We've got African geese. And then the Sebastopol are the fluffy ones. There's the other one. That one's really fluffy. And we've got one Chinese goose right here. See, it's got the hump top of its head. We've got our emus, Rhea.